The data science training offers you a comprehensive knowledge of data science principles, machine learning applications, time series modeling, and recommendation engines. Learn how to use languages like SQL, open source libraries, and Python to analyze data and statistics. To enroll in the data science training with Simpliaxis, visit our website and fill out the registration form. Once payment is confirmed, you will receive a welcome email with all the details. You'll have to pass an exam to obtain the data science certification. Upgrade your career with the data science course today. Acquaint yourself with machine learning algorithms and predictive modeling. Learn how to handle tasks like pattern recognition, forecasting, face detection, and anomaly detection. Simpliaxis's data science training costs generally include the exam fee as well. We offer convenient online payment options via credit cards, debit cards, or bank transfers. If you register early, you can take advantage of our special discounts. Data science certification improves career opportunities, increases earning potential, and validates your data analysis skills. This certification is valuable for both technical and non-technical professionals, with roles available in diverse industries like IT, healthcare, finance, and more. Take the next step in your career and advance your skills with data science training. Visit the Simpliaxis website today and enroll in our world-class training program.